Welcome to the management section in the Fast Dash MBA. Project management will be our first topic we cover, and let's begin. Here are the basics for project management. Under these 8 bullet points, please refer to your worksheet or workbook to get a better understanding moving forward for project management. Understanding the why business schools teach about project management. To simply put it, all projects are temporary with different time constraints, and completing projects the way your customer wants it is why business schools teach us it. And as you read through these bullet points, you can grasp what I just said and get a better understanding of it. And basically the goal is to produce a complete project that complies with the client's objectives. And that's why business schools usually offer this as an elective, because it goes hand in hand with management in any corporation you're working for. The purpose behind project management is very simple. It's being effective in maintaining objectives and finishing on time any project your corporation undertakes. Here's some simple bullet points of what you could be doing throughout a project. One thing you will learn about in project management course are the 4 Ps. It's a big takeaway. It's plan, process, people, power, and I put simple definitions for you to get a better understanding. And also check out the blog post. Just see the link below. Another project software tool that a lot of IT managers use is the Scrum Framework. It can be applied to several different industries. It's highly preferred by most managers, and usually the project manager on software initiations will use the Scrum Framework. And once again, I'm creating a whole different blog post for you to get a better understanding of what Scrum is, so please see the link below. My personal MBA course experience taught me how to use MS Project and just revisited theoretical concepts learned in Operations Manager, and it all goes hand in hand and connects with one another each course topic. Scrum, I learned, was the most optimal approach for all software development projects. The ones I personally use for my businesses, like software, is Trello and Asana. They're just common project manager software used by entrepreneurs. And this should be a required course for all MBA students because it's good to be organized for your whole MBA program or any simple home project or anything you can think of, basically.